Making money while you sleep isn't just a dream, it's possible with the right systems in place. In this video, I'll show you how I automated my side hustle and earned $4,287 without lifting a finger. If you're ready to put your income on autopilot, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more passive income strategies. Let's get started. 1. Found a repeatable process. Before automation, I built a simple routine that delivered value and could be repeated daily. I outlined each step I did manually, from content creation to sending people to my offers. Once I had a routine that worked, I knew exactly what parts could be automated efficiently. This gave me clarity and confidence that automation would save time and not break things. Most people try to automate chaos. I first organized and refined what was already working. My system needed to function on its own, so I tested every step manually for consistency. If I had to touch it constantly, it was not ready for automation in the long term. Eventually, the routine worked like a checklist I could pass to a tool or automated system. Repeatable systems are the foundation of successful and sustainable automation efforts. 2. Chose a passive-friendly hustle. I avoided side hustles that demanded live effort, hourly labor, or constant communication. Instead, I picked one that involved digital products, affiliate links, and one-time setups. The more passive the model was by design, the easier it became to automate properly later. I focused on value-driven content that could be consumed without me ever being present. This let me reach thousands of people with the same effort it took to reach just one. Digital leverage was key. I made things once and let them run repeatedly without updates. The hustle fit well with tools and scheduling platforms that ran even while I slept. I studied others making money passively and reverse engineered what they were doing. I picked a model where automation helped rather than hurt the user experience or outcome. 3. Used automation tools wisely. I explored tools for email, content scheduling, and page building that worked on autopilot. Not every tool worked for me. I picked ones that fit my workflow, not just popular names. I avoided complex platforms that took longer to set up than doing the task manually. I used systems to send emails, post content, and track affiliate clicks while offline. The key was choosing only what I truly needed, not overwhelming my system with tools. Each tool replaced a step I used to do manually, saving hours each week without effort. I trained myself to audit tools monthly and cancel what no longer moved results forward. 4. Created evergreen content. My automation only worked because I made videos, emails, and pages that stayed relevant. I avoided trends and created solutions people would always need in my chosen niche. Tutorials, guides, and case studies continued attracting views and clicks for months. Evergreen content acted as my digital salesperson, working for me even while I slept. I optimized each video and blog post for long-term search and consistent traffic flows. Instead of burning out with new content weekly, I let my old posts work continuously. I refreshed titles, thumbnails, or descriptions occasionally to keep performance high. Search engines loved my helpful, lasting content and kept recommending it to users. 5. Built an email sequence. I used my landing page to collect emails and send people into an automated welcome series. Each email delivered a lesson, insight, or offer tied to the problem they wanted to solve. I wrote 7 emails in advance and loaded them into my automation tool to send daily. This let me build relationships and drive traffic on autopilot while doing other things. Every subscriber went through the same experience whether I was online or on vacation. I tracked open rates and click rates to improve the sequence after the first test runs. Using this sequence, I earned commissions without any daily emailing or pitching. People got value first, then an offer, then follow up, all without me lifting a finger. 6. Set up tracking and analytics. To grow what worked, I needed data on which links, emails, and videos made me the most. I used basic tracking tools to measure traffic, click-through rates, and conversion results. Every platform I used included simple dashboards to help me understand what to adjust. By checking stats weekly, I saw which email got opened and which product link converted. When a video or email performed well, I created similar ones to increase results faster. If something failed, I fixed it or replaced it without guessing what went wrong again. I tracked income per funnel and saw which tool brought the highest return on time. Data let me stop wasting effort on things that looked good but earned nothing at all. Even one good metric helped me double down on winners and scrap low-performing pages. 7. Created a scalable offer system. Instead of promoting one product, I built a system that could scale across multiple niches. I chose affiliate products that paid well, converted, and helped solve real-world problems. Each funnel pointed to a different product, letting me earn from diverse traffic sources. Once a funnel worked, I copied the structure and swapped out the product and content. I tested both low-ticket and high-ticket offers to balance fast wins and long-term income. All offers were chosen based on quality, reviews, and results, never just high commissions. The system was designed to expand fast without breaking or overwhelming the process. A single video or page led into a sequence that repeated across multiple product types. 8. Let go of perfection. Automation works best when you launch fast and adjust based on real user feedback later. I stopped overthinking fonts, colors, or perfect wording in my emails or landing pages. Instead, I focused on being helpful, authentic, and clear about the value being offered. This let me release content quicker, test more, and fix only what really needed attention. Perfection delays progress, done and helpful wins over pretty and late every time. My early videos and funnels were not polished, but they worked and made money. Every version improved because it had real-world results to build from, not theory. I gave myself permission to fail fast and grow faster through each tiny experiment. 9. Reinvested into systems. Once I started making money, I didn't spend it, I reinvested into better tools and systems. I upgraded my email platform to handle more users and added advanced automation features. I paid for premium page builders to save time and improve my conversion rates instantly. Extra income went into outsourcing small tasks like video edits or copy cleanup duties. I reinvested in education too, buying courses to learn from people ahead of me in results. Every dollar spent went back into scaling what already worked or making it work better. Instead of buying gadgets, I focused on expanding systems that ran even when I didn't. Reinvestment turned my side hustle into a quiet business that grew without pressure. Each improvement added leverage and freed me from future stress or burnout completely. The goal was freedom, and that required systems stronger than just effort or hustle. Automated income meant I could finally work less while results kept improving steadily. Systems paid me more than effort ever could, and I built them with every dollar I earned. 10. Let time do the work. Once everything was set up, I stepped back and gave it time to run and produce results. Too many people sabotage automation by changing it before it has time to truly work. I gave my funnels 30 to 60 days before adjusting anything beyond small tweaks or titles. This allowed the system to gather data, build trust, and flow through new audience cycles. People need time to open emails, think, click links, and eventually decide to purchase. My job was to stay patient, let traffic grow, and not panic if a funnel seemed slow early. Some of my best earning videos took months to hit their full stride and bring profit. Automation is not magic overnight, it compounds with time and strategy combined. By stepping back, I gained space to build more while the system earned quietly for me. Each week brought more clicks, sales, and confidence that the model truly worked. Patience was my final strategy, and it turned effort into income that arrived while I slept. Automation changed everything for my side hustle, and it can for yours too. What part of this system are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more real strategies on earning online, building passive income, and growing your side hustle. Stay tuned for more ways to level up your income.